Number 1 AC Guys recently partnered with a new client to install a custom air conditioning system for a new construction home. The client's main goal was to have an energy-efficient system with individual temperature control in every room. They also wanted an automatic ventilation system with a built-in humidifier that could monitor oxygen and humidity levels and turn on whenever needed, all by itself. To bring this vision to life, we installed a modern Daikin VRV system, 6 outdoor units and 14 indoor units. The entire project took about a year. We worked closely with other teams, electricians, roofers, and builders to make sure everything was perfectly timed and integrated. Throughout the process, we made updates and adjustments based on the client's feedback and new ideas, making sure the final result was exactly what they wanted. The client got a smart, energy-efficient, fully personalized climate control system, and they were truly happy with the result. Number 1 AC Guys. Clean air, healthy family.